They are feeling playful tonight. Riki and Ame, Kyoshiro. Oh, Kyo gave up. It's too much. Riki's after my books, after my mangas. Ame, that's not nice. Ame manages to amuse himself, though. He is not disappointed that his brother walked away from him. I'm gonna go bother Kyo. Riki's gonna find something better to do. Like hide under the bed. Oh, look, here comes Ame. Oh, Riki. Ame's super friendly. Riki's a little more shy. Where's Haru? Oh, Kyo came out. Hi. This one's my baby, Yamato. He doesn't want to play right now. He's entertaining himself. And their mommy Sakura is busy hiding her broccoli. She's afraid her puppies or Haru are going to steal it from her. Oh, Riki noticed Yamato. Still gotta clean your playpen, huh? I'll do that before you guys go to bed. What's up, Ame? Oh, what are you doing? My toe's exciting for you. Ame's super happy. He loves everybody. And this one's just being cute. You can see all my Ginga books there. I took some off the shelf, that's why there's this empty space. Riki decided he's going to go to bed. I gotta take him out later to clean this. They're almost 4 weeks old now. Their tails are starting to curl up. In 4 more weeks, they'll go to their new homes. Riki and Ame already have homes. And either Kyo or Yamato have a chance of going to live with them. I hope they do. One of them does. I'm also hoping they go to families where I get to see them. I want to see how my babies look all grown up. Where are you going? Oh, Kyoshiro's on my other side. Now until went to sleep. Sakura's guarding her broccoli. Sakura! Guarding your broccoli? Making sure nobody touches it? Riki's looking around. Not really sure what to do. My pants must smell good. All the puppies have been biting at them. They're starting to get their teeth in. I know, because they like to chew on my fingers. Oh, I discovered the fan. This thing is just a table. I keep stuffed animals and my incense burner. Getting in there? There you go! Somebody's getting tired. He'll probably just go to sleep right there or climb up there with his brother. This is their mommy's bed. I gotta get their daddy a new bed because his got messed up by their big sister. Mickey's tired out. Kyo's trying to get in the bed. Mommy! Say bye-bye.